Dolly Zoom can be done using any of your favorite apps. I'm using DaVinci Studio. Here I have a clip taken with Mini 4 Pro while visiting Gdańsk, Poland last summer. I want church to be hero in this shot, therefore it needs to stay same size while everything else is fluid and in motion. While this clip has been taken flying towards the church, for best effect, we need to reverse this clip so it looks like we are flying away from the object. Let's play and see what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's okay. Since church needs to stay same size throughout the clip, we will have to zoom in as we pull away. For that, I'll make a copy of the clip and use first couple frames as a reference for the initial size. I'll place those frames on the video track above. Yeah, let me adjust them just a little bit more as I think I have too many of them. Let's be a little bit more precise. Yeah, that's good. Now we need to see both the track and the adjustment frame. So let's turn down opacity and see how they overlay. Now we need to adjust end of the clip and bring size of the church to match reference frame. First, let's go to the beginning and set the initial keyframe for zoom and position. Now move the playhead to the end. Zoom in to match the size of the reference frame. May have to adjust position on X and Y axis for better match. Finally, remove the reference frames and make any adjustments as needed. Ideally, you would like to fly close to the object first, then fly away backwards, so there's no need to reverse the clip. That way you have no cars, people or animals moving backward. Well, let's look at the final part.